guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a colorful makeup look. I'm gonna be using the Controversy palette by Jeffree Cosmetics with Shane Dawson. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me just put this thing on. There we go. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is moisturize, prep the skin. It's really important to do this step, especially if you want your makeup to last. So I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. And then I usually put some eye cream before I even start my makeup, just to be more moisturized under the eyes, I guess. Next, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I used to do makeup like the face first and then the eyes, but since we're doing a colorful look, it might fall out onto the skin, so I'm gonna do my eyes first. So first is the eyebrows. After you fill in your eyebrows, you put concealer under to sculpt and also to make them more defined. Today I'm using the Too Faced concealer in Taffy. After this step, I just like to prep my eyelids, but I haven't really tried to do a colorful look, but we're just gonna give it our best try today. Now from the Controversy palette, I'm gonna use pigment, this light pink. Then I'm gonna use Food Videos, this neon, with these two colors here, which are Cheese Dust and Flaming Hot. And then for the outer, I'm gonna put on Not Effect. So I'm going in with pigment first into the crease. I'm gonna grab Food Videos, which is this yellow, and I'm gonna put it right in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna add Cheese Dust in right here in the middle, and then Flaming Hot after it. Now I'm finally gonna go in at the end right here with Not Effect. It's kind of like a deep purple. I need to change. And just wipe off however I want the shape of my eyeshadow to be. So after you wipe away the excess, you go and keep the liner. You start your wing. It's time for lashes. Today I'm gonna be using Lilly lashes and Mykonos. I'm gonna use these because they're a little out there, so, and it's a bold look. I also use a dual lash glue, dual brush on adhesive. I use these little tweezers that my sister got me, and they're awesome, honestly. You just place it right on and it sticks. Just like that. After this, I like to go back with some mascara to just put it on, stick it together, I guess. I know a lot of people put mascara on before. My lashes are super straight, so when I do that, it just sticks out. So I usually just do it after. Then I use this to just make sure that it's all together. So after the lashes are done, then you do your base. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use Pores Beyond Matte Primer. I'm gonna be using Too Faced foundation in Sand. This is my favorite foundation. I've used it for years. I do this step first so I could like evenly distribute the foundation everywhere. Then I grab my beauty blender and blend. After this, I apply some concealer. Once again, I use Taffy from Too Faced. I usually let that sit for a while so that it could dry up a little. It gives you more coverage when you do that. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker concealer and just put it right here to contour a little bit. It's not too dark. It's just like a very light contour, I like to say. So I just wait for that to dry. Then I just blend my concealer. Then I grab my Airspun setting powder and then put it in all the spots where I put my concealer. And then I just cover it here. Next, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I use Morphe bronzer, the darker shade Megastar. Then I put a little bit of the Fenty bronzer Eyeliner Ting. This is Ting. I usually put this bronzer towards the higher ends of my cheeks, just sort of like a contour. But I just use it like right here. And then the other one, I bring it more down. A little bit of this I use it more towards like the middle of the cheek. That is not gonna work. So sorry you saw that. Smaller brush. After I'm done with this bronzer, I go with my blush. This is a Tarte Blush Bazaar. And today I'm thinking more like that. I'm not really, well, I do like blush a lot, but I'm gonna try it to be a little subtle. Okay, now I'm gonna brush off that bake that's under there and then go over it again with this brush just to make sure that it doesn't look too harsh. After doing that, I forgot to smoke out my bottom lash line. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go in with kind of like a brush like this. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so I'm thinking to do maybe the purple, what is it, Not a Fact, on here. And then probably do Cheesy Puff Dust, like right in the middle. Put a little bit of that Flaming Hot right after. And then, so sorry, the yellow right in the inner corner. So once that's done, I'm gonna go in with my telescopic mascara, and I'm gonna do the bottom lashes. So after that's done, we're gonna grab this wipe and clean our foundation lips. Okay, so I usually apply this Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, and Peach is my favorite. Yeah, no? And then for this kind of look, I don't want to do a bold lip, both eyes, both lips. Whoa. Nope. It's really bright. Dark. Maybe. So I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop lip pencil in BFF3. This is my ultimate favorite lip pencil. It's from the collaboration with Shayla with Colourpop. NYX lingerie. I'm gonna use the NYX lipstick in Daring Night. Before I forget, which I always almost do, I forgot to add highlights. I'm gonna use this palette. It's the Nicole Guerrero with Anastasia collaboration for the Glow Kit. Fairly old highlights. Finally, we're gonna set it all with the Morphe setting spray. Now I'm gonna fix all of this and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I don't really do well with colors, but I really liked how this one came out. It's very subtle, not too much. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and I'll see you in the next one.